Hi, it's me here from the Vlog Academy, and today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the reflections from your video lights from your glasses when you are filming. So I put on my biggest glasses today, and I'm going to show you how you can change around a little bit to get rid of the reflections from your video lights when you're filming. Now, the first thing I want to say is that all glasses are slightly different. So these ones actually have quite a good anti-glare coat on them. So even if I move around, it's not going to reflect as badly as these ones. They reflect much more of the video lights, as you can see. So we're going to work with these ones because we can see a bigger difference. But if I keep my head slightly down and I don't look into the light, this positioning is going to be okay. So we're going to move the light so you can see clear what I do. So normally most people position the light straight in front of them and just in front of their face. And this is going to cause a lot of glare in the glasses, of course. But we don't have to have the light straight in front of us. So I've got two big lights I'm working with here today. So one to one side and one to the other. But they're quite close to the center now. So what we're going to do is that first of all, we're going to move them further away. So I've now moved them further to the side, but they're still directed towards me. And already here we have a better effect. And we're now going to raise them higher. Now, normally I would say you should position your video light above your chin, above your jawline, because what happens is that if it's above this level, you're going to get a shadow here around your jaw, and that's going to create a much nicer jawline, and who doesn't want that? So we're going to raise them up a little bit higher, just like that. And you can actually see the reflection in my painting, my picture behind me, that we can see the light there, and we don't want that either. So we're going to, that's me covering it, so I'm going to raise it up, and here we go. So it's gone from the reflection in the picture, and we also have no reflections in the glasses. Now, if you are demonstrating something, if you're in your kitchen and you might need a bit more space, it is tricky to get rid of the reflections. Or if you have a big window that you're facing, that could be tricky too. Now, worst case scenario, you might actually have to try and angle your glasses a little bit, which is doable but not very comfortable. Or angle your chin so that you're looking down a little bit more with your face, but it's going to feel a little bit unnatural, obviously, depending on how long you're filming for. So first of all, move the lights to the side and then raise them up so they're above your reflection line of the glasses. So I hope this was helpful. Put a comment box in, or comment in the comment box below, or a question if you have one, and I'll respond back to you. And of course, if you want more advice or work with me personally, in person, I've got online training available for you. Have a look at the website vlogacademy.com, and I'll be back soon with more how-to videos and top tips. Take care.